This is the great outdoors. Forest, woods, if you will. Do not come out here without bug spray, and you want to wear jeans. I'm out here with no bug spray and I'm wearing shorts, which is not the smartest thing to do, but I'm aware of the risks. It's pretty good in this forest. I can walk around pretty easy without getting thorned. I know people come back here with quads because, maybe side by sides, four wheelers, three wheelers, ATVs, you get it. Because the path is not as overgrown with weeds as it could be. I feel that this portion is easily walkable because it's more trees, so you're not going to get the weeds as much, like the stuff that needs sun, because the leaves, you're going to get more small, like baby trees, and either they make it or they don't. And get to be big trees. Yeah, this is pretty thickly wooded. These are just little guys right here. Okay, there's a big one. Right, there's a pretty big one. A stump. That's a little bit better stump. They're dead though, clearly. Dead. Yeah, let's go over here. We have some open. Oh, a rock, yes. Big rock, nice. Luxury rock right here. Oh, yes. Big open area. Yep. This is pretty good. And what have we here? We got some trees on it. Okay. I see you. This is a rock with some trees growing on it. Interesting. Wait. Yeah, that's a rock. That's a rock. And that's a rock. Quite fascinating. Just, this is very nice hiking forest. Just trying to keep my sense of direction as I go. Came up that way, went up and back. Yeah. This is really nice. Other people walk back here. I haven't ran into anyone. Not really sure who owns what. I'm just kind of walking around the forest, right? Take nothing but pictures. Leave nothing but... Leave nothing? Oh no. Not leaving anything. I'm taking a lot of pictures. More rock. You can't make this up. That's a fucking rock. That is a rock. Really beautiful. I think my neighbors around here are quite respectful of the forest. More rocks. Now remember, we're in Appalachia. This is technically mountain climbing. Very casual hiking. I'm wearing Crocs. Shorts, however, and no bug spray. Might be poison ivy. Which I do get. The best thing to do is shower as soon as you get back. That's another reason jeans. Rocks. Yeah, this was a good one. This was a very good little nature walk. Very beautiful formations that are completely natural. I mean, some like that looks like a tree was cut, but mostly natural. But again, just see that broke off on its own. The neighbors here are very respectful to the forest. We don't have, like, just because you don't see trash doesn't mean humans don't walk these paths. We just throw our trash away in our trash cans when we get to them. There are no trash cans out here, but there is no trash. Very nice formation right here. Sunshine alert.